Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you are encountering the your task queue is currently empty message on Outlier AI, so you're not alone. Many users have reported similar issues, especially after completing onboard step like ID verification or training assessment. This message typically indicates that the system cannot assign you a project at the moment. So here is a common issue that is actually caused for this problem. So here is something like pending onboarding steps. So you might still need to complete certain onboarding requirements such as assessments and training modules when you have created a new account. Now here is project availability. There may be no active project matching your profile or language skill at the time, so you can try it by changing your skills. Then technical glitches. So it's probably most common issue that most of Outlier AI user are facing, like system errors can sometimes prevent task assignments. Now here is the steps to resolve the issue. Complete all onboarding requirements. Ensure you have finished all necessary training and assessment on Outlier AI. Refresh the dashboard. Some users have found that refreshing the dashboard periodically can help as tasks as distributed to users who are online. Then contact the support. So you can actually contact the support from at the very bottom here, where you can find the contact or the community guidelines here, and if you can actually contact them after joining them on that Outlier AI, where you can actually create an account and you can talk to a representative that can help you in this issue. Or otherwise, sometimes you can actually clear the cookies on your Outlier AIs. For that, you have to simply click on this button here. Now from here you can find cookies and site data. You can simply click on it and simply click on this button here, where you can find Outlier data from here, where you can simply click on this trash icon to delete the these cookies that have been stored on your browser, that you can delete, and it can actually refresh your dashboard. That can help you a little if you want. So then you can simply click on accept cookies by collecting the latest cookies on that website. Now, stay active during off-peak hours. So being online during times when fewer users are active may increase your chances of receiving tasks. So that's probably all the steps that you can follow to prevent that, to avoid that issues on your Outlier AI dashboard. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.